Stuck in traffic chaos every day. Your greatest hope is getting home safely. You always follow the rules. You do everything you can to keep safe. But when an irresponsible driver causes an accident, how do you prove that it's not your fault? Introducing UltraDash Z3. Z3 is a smart dual-lens dashcam that records everything on the road. One easy step, and you are ready to go. Arm mount allows you to remove and place the device quickly and easily. As soon as you start the car, the camera will automatically turn on and start recording. Z3 has two editions designed for different purposes, standard and commercial. When you are the victim of a hit-and-run accident, Z3 has already captured the other driver's license plate number. For professional drivers, Z3 helps you to avoid troubles both inside and outside of your vehicle. Z3 captures crystal clear 1080p footage and will automatically overwrite the oldest file with the newest videos. Sony Exmor sensors offer high dynamic range function automatically and adjust the sensitivity in low-light environments to provide clear, high-quality videos regardless of the time of day. In the case of an accident or emergency stop, the recording of that time is automatically protected. You will never lose the important videos. When you are not with your car, Z3 is there to protect it. Z3 will automatically turn on and record if someone hits your car or tries to steal it. With our free playback software, IQ Player, you can easily see your location at any given time. Keep track of speed and exactly where your vehicles have been. For all kinds of cars, all kinds of roads, and all kinds of drivers, we believe Z3 can not only protect drivers' rights, but also make drivers drive more responsibly. Join us to make roads safer.